Hi friends! First and foremost, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day for checking out this LinkedIn Mastery course. Over the past year or so, I've had a lot of success experimenting with growing business relationships, nurturing them, creating a lot of sales through that, increasing reach on my individual posts and videos and all types of different success on there. And that is exactly what this course is about, showing you my successes, showing you step by step how you can do a lot of these things too, so you can increase your reach, get found by potential prospects, grow your LinkedIn profile and your presence, and ultimately drive more sales, drive more business, and make more relationships on the platform. LinkedIn has become a powerhouse in the business space. It's not just a social media platform for your resume. It's so much more than that. In 2018, even moving forward into 2019, 2020, since the acquisition from Microsoft, they have been rolling out a ton of changes. And with that, more and more people are going to the platform every single day and using it even more for exactly these reasons. It's incredible, and it's time for you to take advantage of that situation before everyone gets on board and figures out how to do this so that it becomes oversaturated. So I hope that this course is truly helpful for you. I'm literally sharing all of my knowledge with you of what I found success in. So I hope you're ready to get started. Let's jump in and start learning.